What's poppin', guys? It's Dynamite, and in this tutorial I'm gonna make a Jersey Club remix to a Kompa song. Now I already have the song pulled up and I'll play it for you guys.
Longtemps ou pas téléphoner, tout doux, moi ni fierté. Promesse, y'a qui ça ou trop fait moi ni assez, pour ça changer.
I'm gonna look for a part I wanna sample first.
Moi besoin.
So I'm gonna drag it to the playlist. I'm gonna time stretch it. I'm gonna set to mode to stretch. And I'm gonna drag the other part. Now if I just put these to the mixer, track one, I'm gonna EQ it. I'm gonna pitch it down to 200 cents. I'm gonna add some reverb. I'm gonna add this one. Turn it down a little bit. Now I'm gonna start chopping. I'm gonna set the declicking mode to smooth. Now I'm gonna chop it at every bar. I'm gonna set it back to generic. I'm gonna add some delay. Now on the delay, I'm gonna turn down the cutoff just a little bit more. me see what it sounds like ping pong. Cut this a little bit. Now I might pull a famous hey from the Jersey Club Essential drum kit. You can find that drum kit in the description below. Now I'm gonna go to the envelope and I'm gonna make an open rectangle. Make sure when you make the open rectangle that there's no bottom line. And the reason why we're doing this is so we can chop the hay using the piano roll. So I'm gonna open up a new pattern and I'm gonna start chopping the haze. Now to make it a bit more sharp, you can turn down the quick fade out. Now I'm going to give this a delay. Turn the time to 4 steps, ping pocket, turn the input volume down and turn down the cutoff. Now I'm gonna bring a what and I'm gonna just pitch it to the right key. Now I'm gonna bring this to the same mixer as the haze. I'm gonna pan them a little bit. Do the open rectangle. Now put some A's in there. Right now I'm just building a rhythm of the chants, chopping them and building its own rhythm. Because the main focus of the chops is not from the sample, not from the Kompa song, but more from the chants. But you can do the vice versa if you want to. this time I turn up the time to 8 stops. More pan down a little bit. Now we got the chants. Now I'm gonna put the snaps. I always use snaps, but I'll just do it again in this case. Make a new pattern, just put the easy snaps. Now in the second pattern that we made earlier, I'll put a scratch in there since it's empty, might as well use it. And don't forget to save. Basically, you can just drop the drums in and call it a day, but if you want to structure it, I will leave the project file for you to play around with. But that's basically it for this tutorial. Let me just drop it in. A very simple tutorial on how to remix a Kompa song into Jersey Club. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you guys in the next one.